everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, I'm just talking about some of the best new furniture. These are some really nice items that I think you guys should check out, as well as some things that are on my current wish list. As always, the links to everything for you guys to check out will be in the description box down below. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, one of the next items that I wanted to share with you guys are these stools. Literally, can we take a moment for these stools? Like, these are beautiful. I feel like they're like out of like a Pinterest picture. Like, you know when you see those photos on Pinterest and you're like, where did that come from? And you like can't find the furniture piece because it's like that good. Like you're like, it didn't come from here or here or here. That is these stools. Like I absolutely love them. Definitely on my wish list. If I have a place that I will need stools for in the future, I will be buying these. Like I think that they look so great. They are absolutely gorgeous. I feel like, again, they're like out of like Architectural Digest magazine. I don't know why I love them so much, but I do. The shape is perfect. All right, next up, this is my favorite style bed. I love the mixture of like a cloth with a wood bed frame. Like that is just speaks to me, honestly. But you guys know I have allergies and asthma, so I tend to stick to like a boring like wood frame. But I love these, and if you're in the market for a new bed, this is a more new arrival that I love and I would definitely recommend checking out. All right, next up is this console, and it does say that it's on clearance. So usually when something is on clearance, it kind of means that they might not be selling it anymore. Sad, because I love the mixture of the metal and the wood on this. I think it's really cool. It's got that like kind of industrial mid-century modern style to it, which I'm really loving. I love how seamless and streamlined it is. And honestly, this is like the perfect console, and I feel like this would have probably been my choice when I was ready to buy a new one. But sadly, seeing that it's on clearance and such a good deal right now, I don't think it's going to be available that much longer. But if you're in the market for a console, highly would recommend checking this one out right now. All right, and next up is this travertine side table. Again, I just immediately was drawn to like the detail on the legs of this. I feel like it looks really nice and I love the detailing on it. Obviously, this is a great side table, and I do also really like the price point that this is offered at. I feel like it's very affordable and a great deal for the materials that you're getting. All right, and then next up is just this little minimalistic mid-century table lamp. I think that this is perfect for me. I feel like it's so hard to like find table lamps. Like I don't usually love every table lamp. Like I will walk into a store and be like, I don't like any of these table lamps. They don't look good, they don't match, or they just don't like, I feel like a lot of times the base and like the lamp shade that they choose are just awful, which obviously I know that you can change those things, but just off of first glance, I'm not usually into the lamps as much as I like this one. So I feel like this one is perfect. The shape, the size, everything about it I love. So if you're in the market for a new lamp, I would definitely recommend checking these out. All right, this linear comforter is just one of my favorites. I feel like they repeat this every season, but in like different colors. One season they had this like gorgeous, almost like a lime green color in this, I remember, and I was like, oh my gosh, stunning. Definitely love the neutrals that they have right now, but doesn't this look just like so comfortable? And I feel like it's just like perfect. You can get this as your comforter and kind of like mix and match the other bedding to something like a little bit more plain, like sheets and then like textured pillow shams, and you're like good to go. You've got that like perfectly luxurious looking bed and you didn't like spend a ton of time designing it. So I definitely would recommend checking this comforter out because I love it. All right, and then I know I shared that end table, but I feel like this table is my favorite. I don't have anywhere to put it right now, but the fact that this is on sale for like $100, when this reminds me of the RH one that I see that even at the outlet is like $1,000. Like this side table that looks like this is $1 grand at the outlet. Like that's like the discounted price. Every time I see it, I'm like, it just doesn't make sense to me. But this to me honestly looks even better. So I might need to snag one because I know that I'm gonna want this piece in the future and it's not gonna be $100 anymore. I probably need to buy it too before I put this video up because you guys will definitely sell it out. So again, I just love the glass on it with the base. Oh, I feel like it's perfect. And the price point, insane. All right, another bed frame that I absolutely love, the shape on it. Like it is taking everything inside of me to not get like an all cloth bed because I do truly feel like they look the best. Like when you're looking at a bedroom and it is styled, the cloth bed frames look the best. I wish my allergies and asthma would allow for it. I mean, they would allow for it, but I just probably shouldn't, but you know. I'm still kind of like, look how good this bed frame is. Like, I love this bed frame. I feel like this would look great in like any room, and it just kind of like makes the room. If you're getting one thing that you want to switch out in your bedroom, just buy this bed and you're good to go. All right, this new bench is like so simplistic and so streamlined. It reminds me of the Pottery Barn bench that I've wanted for ages. That's always so on back order that I never order it, because every time I go to buy it, it's like a 3-month wait, and I just don't like waiting for furniture. Like, that tells you how much I like a furniture piece. If I'm willing to wait for it, then you know it's really good. And I still think it's a good piece, but it's not something that I feel the need that I need to wait for, like it's a bench. And there's other great options like this. So if you're in the market for a new bench and you like the Pottery Barn one that you know that I'm talking about, this one I feel like is a close runner up, and you can probably get it a lot faster. Okay, I feel like this chandelier is definitely not gonna be everyone's style, and this isn't my typical style that I would gravitate towards, but something about this is just like so like whimsical and like relaxing, and I feel like, I don't know, it's just so beautiful and like elegant. Like when I first saw it, I was like, kind of reminds me of Halloween, like little like ghosts. But then when I started looking at it more and looking at it styled, I'm like, wait, this is like super cool. It's unique, it's different. It's not something I would typically go for. However, I still love it. And I feel like if you style this properly, it can be like absolutely stunning. All right, next up is this little textured pillow. It kind of reminds me of this, which is an RH pillow that I got from the outlet. This is like the style of pillow that I like, that like chunky faux fur on it with the little like designs, like very similar vibes. So if you like this and you've seen it and you want something similar, this is a really great option as well, and I really love this style of pillow. All right, you guys, that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!